everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a smoothie video. So this is my favorite smoothie. I like to have this smoothie usually in the morning or after a workout, and it really fills me up and I just love it. So I hope you enjoy, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, make sure you give it a thumbs up, click the notification bell so you can stay updated with all my videos, and I'll see you soon.
So for the purpose of this video, I will be using a normal blender until I get a smoothie blender.
In this video, I'm going to be using raspberries. They are delicious. I'm also going to be using strawberries. I'm going to be using blueberries. And I'm going to be using spinach. It's really important that you wash all your ingredients really carefully before you place it into your blender.
Now I'm just washing all the ingredients, all the fruits and vegetables. It's really important that they are clean before placing it into the blender.
Now that it's all in the blender, I'm going to now add some water, just a small amount of water to about here. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey, raw honey, into the blender as well. So it will add a bit of sugar, a bit of flavor. And okay, so I added a little bit more water than expected, only because I actually want to serve more than one person for this one. So now I'm going to add the honey with my teaspoon. I'm just gonna take it out like this amount, and pour it in. Oh, this is my absolute favorite. I love this smoothie. Okay, and now that everything is now really in the blender, I'm going to blend it up. So this is what it looks like.
I'm just gonna add 2 ice cubes to the blender for it to be more frozen.
So now that it's all blended, it kind of gets this really nice dark color, which I love. It's like a dark pink and it is so nice. So I'm gonna now pour it into a glass and enjoy. Yum, it's so good. And I think if you have this every morning, at least, just even if it's like not all the ingredients, but at least 3 out of the ingredients, it's still gonna fill you up, make you feel so energized and have a great day. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.